Hey guys, this is MacKids11. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the carrier logo on your iPhone. Mine, something in Photoshop, you can't really see it well, but you can tell it doesn't say Verizon. First thing you want to do is download the link in the description. There's an attached file. Go ahead and download it for Mac if you're using a Mac, and download both versions if you're using Windows, because when you download it, the Mac version comes with this folder called Zeppelin logos, which you'll need. Okay, now first I'm going to show how to replace your Zeppelin logo. Then I'm going to show how to create your own. So if you don't care about how to create your own, don't watch the end part of this tutorial. So open up carrier logo and carrier editor. Okay, let's get started. Alright, then you need to find your carrier version on your phone. So you go to your phone, you go to settings. After settings, you're going to hit general, and then you're going to want to go to from general you go to about, and under about, right there, that's your carrier right there. Okay, so mine's 13.2. Okay, mine says Verizon 13.2. I'm gonna enter 13.2 right here. Okay, so just yours is probably not gonna be 13.2. Make sure you enter the right number. Then that should be iPhone or whatever. If you're using an iPhone 3G, you'd use that. Then I'm gonna say Verizon. That's my carrier. Then I'm gonna have to pick a logo. So I'm going to go to my logos. We'll do it doesn't really matter. Okay, so then there's going to be two. One's called etched and one's called black. The black one goes on top, etched goes there. Then you say create an IPCC file. It's going to create two files on your desktop. One file is the original one. So that's just going to be a backup. You should keep that file. Basically, it's so that way instead of having to restore your phone in case you wanted to go back to saying Verizon, you do that. Then you can read this, and this will tell you how to do it. Or and you don't want to use the original. You want to use the one you just made. So then you're going to go to iTunes. You're going to plug in your phone. Give me a second. Plug in your phone. Open up iTunes. From iTunes, you're going to go to your phone. Then you're going to hit option and restore. Then give it the new carrier settings. There we go. Open. Yeah, it's updating only your carrier settings, so that's good. Alright, once it's done on your phone, you're going to want to respring it. So if you don't know how to do that, when you reboot your phone, you're going to respring it. So go ahead and reboot your phone. Alright, and when your phone reboots, you can see now I have Pac-Man right there. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to create your own logos. So to do that, I'm going to use Photoshop, but you can use anything you want. Okay, and the name is going to have to be called black at 2x and edged at 2x.png, and you're going to see basically it's one of them. The black one is whenever you have a black background, and then the edged one is whenever you have a non-black background. So this might look black, but it's not. Okay, and you want the height to be 40, but I suggest making it bigger than that and then changing the height later. So I'm going to do that. You want a transparent background, so I'm going to go ahead and delete the background, and I'm just going to give it a black background for now, and then we're going to change it. Black, new layer. Okay. So then I'm going to write John. Make it bigger. Okay. Basically, you're going to want to save two copies of this, the etched and the non-etched version. And the etched version, the only difference is as a shadow. So go ahead and save the first one. I'm going to call that black at 2x. And we're going to make that a PNG. Okay. And then give your next one a shadow. Give it a larger shadow. That's good. And I'm going to save that. And I'm going to call that etched at 2x.png. Alright, now you can quit Photoshop. You won't need that anymore. And so here are my two icons. Let me just make sure I spell etched right. Yes, I did. Alright. Basically, you want the size, the height to be 40, okay? So you can say adjust size. I'm going to make the height 40. Save that one. And then here I'm going to make the height 40 again. And I'm going to save that one. Now you can go back into the Carrier Editor app. So let's get started. Enter in your carrier version number. Mine is 13.2. Enter in your network. And then the black one's on top, etched one's on bottom. Compile your ICC file. It's going to create it on your desktop. Go back to iTunes. Make sure your phone is plugged in. Hit Option Restore. Pick your new file. And just wait for it to update your carrier settings. Alright, once your phone updates your carrier settings, you have to reboot your phone again or just respring it. But I'm going to do it by rebooting it. Alright, and now you can see that my carrier says John right there. And if I unlock, it still says John. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe and goodbye.